Hello everyone, Sam is here from myforexmagicwave.com. I'm making this a small video about yen index and yen pairs. So what's going to happen this week? So let's get started. This chart, it is a yen index weekly chart. I made it on February 2nd, 22nd February 2021. Saying that okay, we bouncing from above 56.97, so we are gonna go up a little bit more into this area around maybe 58.08, and then we will come back to this tier. That was the chart made on, and then I gave it to my subscriber and all that. So what happened to this chart after a little while is that it went up there and not all the way, it's just a little shy touching 58.08, but came very close, and then from there came back to the tier, as I said, right? So this is the chart before that is going to come back to this tier after going up. So it went up here and then boom, came down here, right? So this was the next chart I made. Okay, that it is gonna go from this. It is gonna bounce from this TL and again go for 58, 56 for the wave 5, according to this diagram. Wave 1, 2, 3, and this comes before wave 4, and then it goes for wave 5 usually. So after that, it started to go up a little bit, and then it came back down again, and then start to bounce again. That happens usually. It's not a big problem. So wave 4 is very typical. So this is the chart I made on the 23rd that is going to go up again. And so far, this is just now I made a chart a little while ago. So it went up a little bit. This is a small TL. Then now a new candle came above the TL, outside the TL. This TL I'm talking about, the sloping blue TL. So it is a 38% retracement for wave 4, which is perfect. And now if we can continue go to the upside, the yen index will go up and yen will get weaker. Now, yen will get weaker, and all yen pairs have yen on the right hand side. For example, euro yen, pound yen, Aussie yen, New Zealand yen, CAD yen, franc yen, all of that, right? So when right hand side currency goes up, pair goes up, right? It gets weaker, then pair goes up. So that's the idea. This index is going to go up and the yen is going to get weaker, and all yen pairs, that's why I wrote down here, all yen pairs will go up as long as that we stay above this 56.37 and then continue to go to the upside. I will be watching that on my excuse me, 20-minute chart. So it's like this right now, it's sloping TL and it's hitting there. It may drop a little bit first and then continue to go to the upside. So on a 7-minute chart, I will watch it. And this is the 7-minute chart. This is how it is. So it's extended now here, right? And see, this yellow line is just going above the red already. So if it's going to drop here, we're going to have a long setup going to the upside. And that will give me a green light that yes, from now on, yen again start to go up and get weaker, and all yen pair. And after that, I will be looking for my long setup in yen pairs like pound yen, euro yen, Aussie yen, CAD yen. CAD yen and euro yen, they are very good at this moment. They are good. Like for example, if I show you this pound yen weekly chart, this is what my weekly chart looks like as of today. That this thing is a retracement, and see, this is a TL, and you connect these two small lows here. The price just came, hit the TL, and bounced already. Last week was a nice bullish candle, a hammer at the TL and at the level 48.19, and hopefully this thing will go up today. This week with the help of yen weakness. Similarly, euro yen, you can see here, this is how it is, and I'm pointing out that it's gonna go up. And similarly, everything else, all those yen pairs, they are pointing, CAD yen especially. So because CAD is getting strong. So look for long in yen pairs. And obviously, I'm going to be waiting and taking my entries in different pairs with my MagicJPY system. And if you have a good system, use that and trade your trades. All right. So, but keep in mind that as long as this euro index going to the upside, all yen pair will be going up. All right. So I'll be taking my entries, and I'll show you in a couple of days. I'll show you my yen pairs long trades. Yen pairs long trades, especially CAD yen. I'm gonna have to open the chart because it's not on my radar. But euro yen, Aussie yen, pound yen are. So let's see what happens. All right. So this just wanted to share with you guys. So this is it for now. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful, wonderful week.